Tired of seeing the same home screen every time you turn on your Hisense Roku TV? Don't worry, here's how to set up power on input and launch straight into your favorite HDMI device or gaming console automatically. Now to get started, grab your Roku remote and press the home button. Now scroll down the side menu and select settings. And open the system menu. And inside system, look for the power option and select it. So this is where you control what your TV opens to when it turns on. Now to change it, just scroll through the list and pick the HDMI input you use most, like HDMI 1 ARC or HDMI 2 or anything you want. So once you select it, your Hisense Roku TV will skip the home screen and open that input automatically every time you turn the TV on. And that's it. No more switching input manually every time. Thanks for watching till then.